Hello, this is Jobin Thomas from Jobin's Training. Today I will be showing you how to register with NMC Online as a nurse. It's quite simple. You type NMC Online here, NMC Online, and click there. It will take you to the main website. You can see here, Nursing and Midwifery Council there, if you can see. Click there, and it will take you to the main website here, as you can see. And it has a lot of menus here about us, standards, education, concerns, and registration. Click on registration here and you will see the sub menus, and click on join the register here. Click there. You can see here register as a nurse or midwife, register as a nursing associate, and you have to probably you will be registering as a nurse, right? Not as a nursing associate. So you click here, register as a nurse or midwife if you are registering as a nurse or midwife. All right. Click there, and it will lead you to another interface, as you can see here, trained in the UK, trained outside the UK. For all the international nurses, they must be trained outside the UK, right? So you can click here, trained outside the UK. And it will walk you to another interface, as you can see here. Check you are ready to register, find out how to join the register. So if you're not sure about the documentation and evidence that you need to be produced in some point of the applications, you can go through this very carefully, because you should know what are the documents that you require, and you need to have a thorough reading through the application checklist, pre-application checklist. So it will give you lots and lots of information about the cost and about the duration, everything. So just please take time to read. And once you understand that, find out how to join the register. You just click there. It will again take you to another interface here. And it also gives you lots of information regarding here. How much is it going to cost? If you click there, the cost will be displayed in different point of applications, and how long is it going to take, and maybe roughly around 2 months if the evidence are produced on time and documents are clear. And prepare your evidence, and you need time to prepare your evidence, right? Some references needs to be sent from your nursing councils and so on. So everything needs time, okay? But roughly around 2 months if everything is prepared on time. And get your pre-application checklist. If you click there, the pre-application checklists that are needed will be displayed there, and you can just have a look onto that, and everything is clear. And if you have no doubts, then that is the point there where you can begin the application. Click begin the application, then it will again give you more information, and you just once again read through that. Then everything is crystal clear. Click start application. Once you click there, it will lead you to further development, and it's a pretty straightforward procedure, and just follow the instructions. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me.